In Chapter 3-10 notes, solve percent problems. Okay, write these as a decimal. So example 1, 54%. To change 54% to a decimal, you divide 54 by 100. And if you divide 54 by 100, you get 0.54. 4%, you take the 4 divided by 100 because percent is out of 100. 4 divided by 100 is 0.04. 104%, to make that into a decimal, you take 104 divided by 100, and you get 1.04. To change 0.3% to a decimal, you divide by 100, and you can get 0.003. Example 2, express the following as a percent. You have 7/5, so you're going to take 7 divided by 5, and you get 1.4. To change that to decimal, you multiply by 100, so 1.4 times 100 equals 140%. Example 3, now we're going to solve percent problems. What number is 40% of 120? We're going to set this up as a proportion. The part is the is over the whole is the percent over 100. So we look for the percent first, so we know that it's 40%, so that will go in there. So now we have 40 over 100. And the is, what number is? We don't know what the is number is. And the of 120 is the whole part. So now we're going to do wickety-whack divide or cross multiply and divide. 40 times 120 is 4,800 divided by 100. And the answer is 48. So 48 is 40% of 120. Okay, example 4, 18 is what percent of 20? The is goes over the of, the percent goes over 100. So the first thing we look for is the percent. So right here it says what percent. So we really don't know what the percent is. So then that would be x over 100. The is number is 18. The of number is 20. We do wickety-whack divide, or cross multiply and divide. 18 times 100 divided by 20. And the answer is 90%. So 18 is 90% of 20.